This is a 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 2.5-liter inline five-cylinder engine. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. This Volkswagen has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering the Auto Barn Volkswagen of Countryside for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We are conveniently located at 6161 Joliet Road in Countryside. We look forward to serving you.